Did you know that installing a fragrant vertical herb wall can lower the surrounding patio temperature by up to 4 degrees Celsius while reducing your cooling load by more than 10%, all while supplying endless sprigs of rosemary for summer grilling? That surprising fact proves that the smartest garden walls are both stylish and high performance. And today we're diving into even more creative ideas that will transform any outdoor space into a personal resort without breaking the bank. Welcome back to Luxury Home Decor, where we blend insider design intelligence with practical DIY know-how to help your spaces feel curated, comfortable, and utterly you. Today's episode focuses on one of the most underestimated canvases in outdoor living, the vertical plane, showing how garden walls can create instant architecture, anchor color stories, and even influence microclimates, all while fitting every budget and style under the sun. Stick around for seasonal tips and budget-savvy secrets. As the 2025 color forecast leans heavily toward grounded naturals, think dusty sage, soft olive, and baked clay terracotta, vertical gardens give you the perfect backdrop to showcase those hues through both paint and plant foliage. By echoing leaf tones in wall finishes or pot accents, you create chromatic harmony that feels premium yet relaxed, making the palette work for everything from coastal cottages to modern urban terraces without paying designer rates. An instant luxe upgrade. Texture is next. Pairing rough-hewn stone tiles with cascading philodendrons or feathery ferns builds the kind of tactile contrast that makes small patios feel like boutique hotels. A green wall's natural shading can drop adjacent surface temperatures by double-digit percentages, so the stone not only looks sculptural but also stays cooler to the touch on hot afternoons. This synergy of material and plant is a hallmark of luxury design that's both practical and poetic. If you're decorating on a shoestring, start with reclaimed wooden pallets. A single pallet can hold a dozen herb pots or trailing succulents, delivering instant vertical interest while costing little more than the screws to hang it. Sand the slats lightly, stain them in a weathered oak tone, and line the back with landscape fabric to keep soil contained. Voila, a rustic chic statement that feels bespoke, not budget, and takes under an afternoon to build. Beyond aesthetics, vertical planting improves insulation, filters particulates, and even muffles neighborhood noise, giving you a calmer oasis on city blocks. That means your garden wall isn't just eye candy. It's functional architecture that pays dividends in comfort, health, and energy savings, a trio every luxury project now tracks alongside beauty. Plus, studies show plant walls can raise property values in dense neighborhoods by signaling sustainability credentials that buyers increasingly demand. renters or balcony dwellers, modular planter panels are game changers. Lightweight frames click together, let roots breathe, and shift easily when your lease ends, proving that grand garden walls don't require ground soil ownership. Choose panels that include interchangeable pots so you can swap summer strawberries for winter ivy without re-engineering the structure, keeping your wall vibrant year-round and saving precious square footage for seating or morning yoga outside routines. When it comes to cladding, bamboo composites offer a luxe timber look with none of the maintenance headaches, resisting insects, fading, and warping even in humid climates. Because the boards click into hidden fasteners, you get flawless lines behind greenery, a trick designers use to stretch walls visually and make tight courtyards feel grand. Plus, these eco-certified planks score serious sustainability points that appeal to future-minded homeowners and design-loving guests. No lush wall thrives without smart watering, and modern recirculating irrigation kits make maintenance nearly set and forget, recapturing excess water and cycling nutrients through the root zone. Mount the reservoir at ground level, hide the pump behind a planter bench, and let the silent system do the heavy lifting while you sip iced tea instead of chasing hoses. Your plants stay pampered, your utility bill stays low, and your weekends stay blissfully free.